turkey. I don't know how. Late night activities for tomorrow's meet.
My bad.
Thankfully, nothing happened, but.
I'm jacking my shit. At least I know it works now.
Before I forget, I use Max Truck again, getting some gas, and then I'm gonna head to another meet in Paris. Far as heck, but I'll be there. Like I said, guys, taking my bike to the meet. In sun, this thing changes different colors all the time. It changes a lot. I forgot to record inside, but I came to do a little pit stop because I need. No, this is for Dominic. Where's my net? This is for me. And chips, but almost there, like a few minutes away, so I'm on my way. This one's good. This one's. That's all right. Oh my god, bro. I'm glad I made it.
I don't know how we made it, but we made it.
It's here. It looks empty, so it looks kind of. I don't know why they rev so much. All right, go right ahead. So the problem with some of you that rev, there's no point. But when you have a point, you also gotta let your bike warm up. But it's gonna sound horrible. So that's what you want to do, is warm it up.
What's up, guys? Hey, my name's Dom. This is Nate, my coworker. We're actually at the Torklaw Motor booth by the entrance for all the bikes. We're a personal injury law firm. We're nationwide, so hopefully you guys never need us. But if you do, give us a call. We got free merchandise. So after this, or whenever you guys have free time, please go over to the booth and pick up your free merchandise. We also have the punching machine competition coming up later on, just for fun, you know. It's free as well. And this is a 2024 Turbo Hayabusa. Give us a couple seconds.
So I could have it. This is the correct way to roll there, tight it.
Study that shit.
There's that, and then there's that. What the heck?
Alright, now look at next on the other side.
I know, I was like...
Okay, but it works, right?
As long as it looks nice from the outside.
Yeah, that's true. There's the nice way, there's Nax way,
You pull the rope and you make a knot and you use the same.
and then there's my way. So I'm home. Let's check the straps. It's good. Good. This one's. Oh. And. Alright. So 3 out of 4 is better than what I did. Okay, so hopefully you guys can hear me, but I got a race going on. Oh, shoot. I got a race going on later on. I'm going to fill up this one with E, and then I have a tank in there to get with E. Shout out to Remy because he let me borrow this tank. But this is a gallon tank. I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna fill up with E right now. I'll put some gas in it. Alright guys, I probably should have recorded the whole morning, but I'm a little late. The group is here. I got a race today. I didn't record, but look what happened to my bike. I ran over a bird.
You didn't run over a bird, bro.
A bird got in my way. Nak has a video too, but I'll show you guys later. But
I'll edit it so you can see.
yeah. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys on my phone the footage that Nak took. It was pretty bad. Let's see, where's it at? But so after this point, now I'm gonna record. I screwed up because I didn't record, but that's crazy. That's crazy. What happened?
You barely missed your air intake too. You should look at the fucking feathers or anything.
Dust or dust feathers? You're right. Bro, man, I came back, I would have been in here.
No, this one.
Yeah, the feathers and probably.
Feathers and shit stuck inside of it.
Oh.
Feathers. Feather bill. You still ran fine when you were coming back, right?
Yeah, I did.
he said now that I think about it. Make sure you're good. Alright, we're good.
Suspects.
I don't know if you guys can see it, but like all those birds in there.
They're probably looking
Who
for
got it?
it.
Who's way?
Who's what?
They got it.
Who got it? Who's way? They got it.
Guys, it is windy, so they got it here right now. Kept it small, not too big, but it's windy. I believe he'll do a pass, try it out, do a pass, and then record us getting going. I feel like I should show you guys some of like the cool stuff that I do here, but I'm not showing you how or what or why. But there's some that's broken, and then there's just this. That's all it needs. And then like I'll show you guys. Look, so it's right here, right here. I'm not gonna turn it on, but
At another location, like a neighborhood park, a friend or relative.
it's kind of dumb. But I mean, people can get a car, they can go do their crap, and then they just leave it how it is, and that's it. Next car they rob or whatever. So they're about to pick up this burnt vehicle. I don't know if you guys know about the fire or not, but this is literally just like the shell of it. There's nothing left at all. Like, this is bad. I totally forgot. We use a forklift though. I have them position it this way more. Dang, it's crazy. So in the package too, they sent me a shirt. Huge shout out to them. I'm gonna go put it on right now, and then yeah. Shout out Brock's Performance, stupid fast. Again, use my code right here, MIX5, and it gives you guys a small discount. So thank you guys. Okay, huge shout out to Brock's Performance for sending me this sprint filter, the P08 F185 sprint racing filter. Huge shout out to them. So if you guys ever need gear like merch, parts, accessories, a tune or a flash, go to Brock's Performance and use code MIX5. It's a small discount. It's not much, but it's a helpful discount. Helping you guys out, helping me out. So huge shout out to Brock's Performance for sending me the sprint filter. So now I'm ending it right here, but for the next vlog, guys, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna wrap certain pieces and certain parts. I'm not gonna do it all, but just give my little tips and tricks about what I do for my bike, and that's about it. But thank you guys for watching, and then stay tuned for the next one, and I'll show you guys how I could wrap certain pieces. Easier pieces, doesn't take too much time, but until next time, I'll see you guys. Thank you.